What are the other 5 behavioral fraud indicators at USCIS? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. We have our hands on, through the Freedom of Information Act, the fraud referral sheet. And the fraud referral sheet is a document that USCIS officers use to send a case that's pending before them to the fraud unit for deeper investigation. Yesterday we talked about the first 5 behavioral fraud indicators. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch that one. And then we're going to cover the other 5 topics or things that happen at an interview that may lead USCIS to conduct an interview or to send your case for extra investigation. And the first one on this second column is lack of interest or interaction. So these are scenarios where an applicant is not overly involved in the case. They're being sort of laid back, lackadaisical. They're just sort of sitting back. They look bored. I've actually had people look bored at their interview. That's not good. You want to be sitting up straight. You want to be direct. You want to be firm. You want to be very involved. This is an important day. You're asking for an immigration benefit from the U.S. federal government, and they're going to take it seriously, so you better take it seriously. So if you're not interested, or if your spouse isn't interested, that is a problem. The next one, eye contact. So this is a big one. You would definitely want to be looking the officer in the eye when you're answering their question. You don't want to be looking all shifty. You don't want to be looking all around. You want to be firm, and you want to look at them right in the eye. Can you see the difference? Sitting here like this, oh man, this really sucks, versus this. Yeah, I live at 4379 Arch 17th Street. Yeah, that's right. So you want to be very direct. You want to be firm. You want to be confident. You're not there begging for crumbs from the master. You're just there to answer the questions and to be thorough and to tell the truth. So there's nothing to be apologetic for or nervous about. The third one, giving evasive or general answers. So officers like to drill down, and they want to make sure that you know your stuff. If you don't, if you're evasive means that you aren't being thorough, you're trying to change the subject, you're not being real forthcoming with information. Like sometimes officers really get mad when they have to drag the information out of you. They don't like that. So you want to be direct, you want to know your case, and you want to be able to answer the questions. The fourth one on this list is answers interrupted by the attorney or others. So we talked about this in our prior video, but generally, the attorney should not be interrupting all the time. They should definitely not be coaching all the time. If you can't get through the interview without your attorney helping you answer the questions, there's a real problem, and that's a fraud indicator. So if you're having that problem, you're most likely not going to be able to get your case approved. And the last one, that the attorney attempts to distract or mislead. That can also be a problem. So the attorney should not be trying to distract the officer or telling jokes or distracting the couple if it's a marriage-based case, and they should definitely not be misleading anybody. So if your attorney is engaging in those kinds of behaviors, your case might get sent to the fraud unit, and I think that's sort of understandable. The attorney should just be trying to get to the truth and help the officer get the case finalized. If you have questions about these fraud factors, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please share it out on social and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.